Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode. So first of all, let's switch to the video one. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, for sure you're on the video mode. I've changed the mode because the options which will appear right here on this bar and in this section are tightly connected with the mode you've got currently set. So right now we can tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see at the top we've got this bar with the resolution options. We've got 4 different options, 720p option with 30 frames per second, 2 different 1080p options. The only difference is in the frames per second, 30 or 60, and the 4K. Currently we've got this option applied, this option is marked, is highlighted, and basically all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I will pick 4K. As you can see, it is highlighted, which simply means that it has been immediately applied, and from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.